David, in a last-minute decision, the judge dismissed 2 out of 3 first-degree murder charges against Julio Segura. Now, this decision came just moments before closing arguments were set to begin and 1 day after Segura took the stand in his own defense. Now, prosecutors were visibly thrown by this and requested several hours to regroup. It's been a long and emotional 3 weeks inside this Clark County courthouse.
I thought I was going to die there.
A 22-year-old Julio Segura is facing several murder charges for his actions leading up to the death of Vancouver police officer Donald Sahota. Early Thursday, and in a last-minute decision, the judge dismissed 2 of the 3 first-degree murder charges.
I therefore do not find that the state can attach liability in this particular way as to counts 1 and 2, and I am dismissing those charges.
This all stems from a chaotic January night 2 years ago. Segura stole a car, robbed a gas station, and led police on a chase. He crashed the car, and police drone video shows him running to a nearby home. Unknown to Segura, it was where Vancouver police officer Donald Sahota and his wife lived. Both were home at the time. Officer Sahota and Segura got into a fight. Segura stabbed him in what he later testified was self-defense. He then ran inside. Officers arrived, and Clark County Deputy Jonathan Feller mistakenly shot and killed Officer Sahota, thinking he was Segura.
Jonathan Feller makes the decision to shoot, and Donald Sahota is dead as a result.
An overnight motion from the defense
Yes, just very briefly, Your Honor.
Prompted the main argument in court Thursday, whether Segura running into the home caused Deputy Feller to mistakenly kill Officer Sahota.
And I believe there is simply no causation that's been shown to any degree of what went on in the house because no one was aware of it outside.
The judge agreed and dismissed the first 2 murder charges linking burglary and attempted kidnapping to the killing, 2 things prosecutors argued Segura was doing by breaking into the house.
The question that the court had to analyze deeply is whether those 2 charges can serve as a predicate, can attach to a felony murder charge, and the court has concluded that they cannot.
Prosecutors fired back.
This is a very significant change that the state definitely did not anticipate.
While the decision appeared to give Segura ease, he still faces 3 other murder charges and more, including possession of a stolen vehicle and burglary, given all that led up to the deadly shooting. Now, closing arguments started about 3 hours ago, and at last check, they were wrapping up. So once that finishes, it'll be in the jury's hands, and we'll keep you posted on a verdict. David?
Blair Best in Vancouver this evening. Thank you, Blair.